Hi, I'm Justin Pollock, President of SUPERSEAL Construction Products. Today, we are proud to introduce you to the all-new SUPERSEAL electric waterproofing pump. It packs power and durability into an easy-to-use portable unit. It's designed for builders, contractors, and companies already in the industry. It can be easily rolled onto any job site or permanently placed into a truck or van. You have the luxury of choosing to spray from totes, drums, or 5-gallon pails. When you purchase the SUPERSEAL waterproofing pump, it comes with everything you need to start working right away, including 100 feet of hose, a dual-headed spray gun, and a mill gauge to measure your waterproofing thickness. All you need to operate the pump is 2 plugins, minimum 20 amps. SUPERSEAL waterproofing is a water-based rubberized asphalt emulsion with an instant set accelerant. It sets firm to the touch in 1 second, thus reducing material waste. It ensures a consistent coating from top to bottom, can be sprayed at any desired thickness in one application, and allows you to work in less than ideal weather conditions. The SUPERSEAL waterproofing can be applied to all types of foundations, including but not limited to your typical foundation on green or uncured concrete, block walls, ICS because it is water-based, wood foundations, commercial applications, as well as on blind walls when applied to the carrier sheet. The SUPERSEAL electric waterproofing pump is unmatched on the market today. Get yours at superseal.ca or call us at 1-800-571-1877. Priming the pump and hoses for use, cleaning, and maintenance. You'll need solvent, mineral spirits, waste container, waterproofing, 14-gauge extension cord, and a plug with 20 amps. Priming the accelerant pump. Mix 2 cups of dry accelerant for every 1 gallon of water. Put the suction hose with the filter into the pre-mixed accelerant. Plug in the pump. Remove the yellow cap and filter. Open the valve and spray into the accelerant pail until the air is out of the line. Put the filter and cap back on. Test spray the accelerant. It should be a fine mist. The SUPERSEAL pump system is now primed and ready for waterproofing. Head to the site, you're ready to go. Waterproofing notes. Never mix the waterproofing with the accelerant when not being used to waterproof a foundation. They can only meet at the wall. Do not allow the pump to run dry. If you do, it could allow air in the line, causing you to have to reprime the pump. Keep the suction hose fully submerged in the waterproofing material. Prolonged exposure to the air could cause the waterproofing to dry in the line, causing blockages. Always turn the spray tip off when not in use. Leaving it open could dry out the material in the gun, causing blockages. Protect from direct sunlight. Do not let the waterproofing skin over. Always cover the drum or pail you are spraying from. The SUPERSEAL electric waterproofing pump. Get yours at superseal.ca or call us at 1-800-571-1877.